So this week I'm going to try to make some progress on this room. We still haven't made a decision on what we're going to do with the plan. If you haven't seen the last video, part 4, make sure you check that out and leave us a comment on which design you think we should use.
My name's Derek. This is my wife Jenya. We bought a fixer-upper. We're remodeling this house one day at a time, all while living in it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to get all the latest videos to track our progress. You'll find lots of how-to videos with step-by-step instructions to help you with your next do-it-yourself project. Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel.
I've got some lumber up here to continue a floor leveling exercise, and I'm going to go ahead and start ripping the sleepers. I've got a video on this as well. Be sure to check that out, how to level a floor.
So I'm here at the lumber yard to get some decking for my floor I need to do, and it's some serious sticker shock. These deck sheets are over $30 a piece. It's insane. They're over twice what they were when I started this project. As you can see from this line graph, the prices are just going crazy right now. If you're doing your own project and you've already done your estimating, be prepared for some adjustments. When you don't have a truck, it's great to have a neighbor that does. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Pull what out?
Now crank.
I don't want to break it.
Oops.
There we go. We got casement windows. Whew. I'm done for today. It was a good week of progress. We've got our floor in here, got our insulation up on this end, all ready to go. And I've got our casement window in on this end. So from about where I'm stand here, that direction, we're all closed up. I'm under the gun to get this upstairs figured out. That's all for this week. I'm glad you watched. As always, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you like what we're doing. And I thank you. Thank you for tuning in and watching. We'll see you next time.